In this video, I will guide you through how to join a Minecraft SMP. SMP stands for Survival Multiplayer. Minecraft SMP servers are a way to explore, create and survive Minecraft worlds with friends. To join an SMP server, start Minecraft using Minecraft Launcher. Click Multiplayer, click Proceed. Now there are two ways to do it from here. Number one is click Direct Connection. Paste server address here and click Join Server. Second way is to add server. If you add server, it will be listed here to access later on. So click Add Server, type server name for your convenience. Type or paste server address. Server address is what you receive from server's admin. They will tell you to use this address to connect to the server, or you will receive this address from an online resource or website. Sometimes server address may also include port number, but not in all cases and not in my case here as well. Okay. After entering name and address, click Done. You can add multiple servers here and connect to any one of them at a time. Use Add Server button to add as many servers as you want. Now wait for few moments for server connection to be established. Then select the server and click Join Server. You'll be inside server in seconds where you can start playing with others. So this is how you can connect to an online survival multiplayer server and play Minecraft with others. If this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notification, and I will see you in the next one.